Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to use Notion for journaling. So let's get started. Creating a new page. Name the page and give it an icon. Turn it into full width. Add a table view called Entries and customize it for a minimal look. Delete default properties. Adding properties. Add a date property for entry dates. Add a text property for daily highlights. Add a mode database with a gallery view. Customize modes with icons and colors. Add a heading block to label each mode. Create a relation property between entries and modes. Energy levels. Duplicate the modes database for energy levels. Customize energy levels and remove excess pages. Rename the relation property to energy level and give it an icon. Productivity level. Add a number property to track productivity on a scale of 1 to 10. Customize the display and color. Creating different views. Create views for today's entries, entries for the week, and a calendar layout for an overview. Templates. Create templates with pre-written questions and prompts for journaling. Add templates to entry pages for easy access during journaling. That's it for this video. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!